Honorable Union Cabinet Minister of Parliamentary and Minority Affairs, Sri Kiren Rijiju. The guest of honor, our own Minister of Home and Indigenous Affairs, Sri Naman Abhiji. Sri Dojit Kado, Honorable MLA, Nari Constituency. Advocate Kata Gata, Justice Kata Gata, Honorable Judge, Guwahati High Court. IPSA President Sri Inu Viji, Mrs. Tata Newton, the wife of late Taratan, the first president of Mobbing Festival iShare, Sri Tata Pokamji, DC iShare, and the president, the leader and secretary of our today's Golden Jubilee Mobbing celebration, other dignitaries present in the dais, and my dear fellow brothers and sisters. Today, on this auspicious occasion of glorious 50 years of Mobbing celebration, we, on behalf of Galo Welfare Society and the Nahalagan Mobbing Management and Promotion Committee and Galos in general, would like to submit one point memorandum to our esteemed and honorable Union Minister Sri Kiren Rijiju for his kind consideration and necessary persuasion from his ends. And without wasting any much time, I would like to read out the memorandum statement. Memorandum goes this way. To Sri Kiren Rijiju, Union Cabinet Minister, Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi. Subject: Memorandum for sanctioning of fund for construction of Galo Heritage Building, the museum at Galo Heritage Center, the Mobbing Ground, currently in Nahalagan. Honorable Sir, with humility and love, we are happy to inform you that the Galo Welfare Society and Nahalagan Mobbing Management and Promotion Committee have completed the acquisition of a plot of land measuring 11,217 square meters for establishment of Galo Heritage Center, the Mobbing Ground at Karajuli near railway station, Nahalagan, with an objective to showcase, preserve and promote the rich cultural heritage, custom and traditions of the Galo tribe. The Galo Heritage Center, the Mobbing Ground, has already become a center of an attraction and tourist hub for the domestic and foreign tourists. Honorable Sir, it gives us immense pleasure to inform the gathering that during acquisition of the plot of land for the Galo Heritage Center, the Mobbing Ground, Nahalagan, you have also voluntarily contributed an amount of Rs 5 lakhs. The entire Galo women expresses our heartfelt thanks and sincere gratitude to you for your kind moral boosting gesture towards Galo women. The Galo community has always remained grateful to you for your kind support and cooperation. Honorable Sir, we on behalf of entire Galo community also extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our to Sri Bema Kandoji, the Honorable Chief Minister Government of Odisha Pradesh, for announcing an amount of Rs 10 crores for construction of multi-purpose cultural hall under the scheme of special assistance to state for capital investment during Mobbing Festival 2022. Subsequently, the government has sanctioned and released the full amount for construction of the multi-purpose hall, and the construction is going on in full swing. Since the establishment in the year 2019, the Galo Heritage Center, the Mobbing Ground, Nahalagan has become one of the important center hub for various social activities and family events, not only for Galo community but also for other communities of Iran and the capital region. Along with celebration of various festivals like Mobbing, Nirmanalo, Indigenous Faith Day and others, many social activities such as awareness camp, health camps, trainings, conference, meetings, education-related activities, sports and cultural activities, marriage and other government functions, etc. are regularly being organized at Galo Heritage Center. Honorable Sir, would like to draw your kind attention that the Galo Heritage Center, the Mobbing Ground, also needs a Galo Heritage Museum building to preserve all important cultural heritage and items related to Galo traditional arts and artifacts, and to display the Galo achievements in various fields like academic, sports, art and science, arts and culture, Galo legislators, community leaders, first announced Galo, etc., and also to display Galo art and artifacts, treasures and other important cultural and traditional items. The building will have a library and an archive where the students and research scholars can get all the information related to the Galo community. It will also act as an outlet of various Galo handicraft and handlooms. It also caters many other basic needs of the Galo community in particular and the state in general. It will have many other facilities for resources such as coaching center, low-cost dormitory, special information center for career guidance, college admission, job avenue information center, legal aid center, various government schemes for elderly, destitute and weaker sections of society, and free medical clinic. In a step towards saving Venisi mother tongue and promote Galo language, Galo modified Roman script will be taught to youths and younger generations, and to bring closer to our traditions and customs, the building will have a facility for craft making center for children also. Most importantly, the Galo Heritage Building Museum will act as the Galo Secretariat of the entire Galo community. In view of the above, the Galo Welfare Society and Nahalagan Mobbing Management and Promotion Committee, on behalf of Galo community, earnestly request you, Guru Office, to look into the matter seriously and may pursue the concerned functionaries for sanctioning of reward funds for construction of Galo Heritage Building Museum at Galo Heritage Center, the Hotel Road, Nahalagan. Here we have enclosed the detailed project report prepared by the people of the department for your daily reference. This is for your kind information and this is action please. Thank you. Sri Karvi Kamdo, Chairman, Galo Heritage Center, Sri Marnya Aita, President, G. Sri Nyada Loya, General Secretary, G. and Sri Like Gai, Member Secretary, Nahalagan Mobbing Management and Promotion Committee. And I would like to request our Chairman, Sri Karvi Kamdo, and Member Secretary, Sri Like Gai, to hand over the memorandum to our Honorable Union Minister.